using our new punching bag.
Bob.
Bob!
Alright, so we're gonna take out the base and then we're gonna take out the body. Lydia's gonna get 3 minutes to beat it up and then you get 3 minutes to beat it up, okay?
Yeah, but my toe's not here, so he's not gonna get to try.
He'll come, don't worry.
It's your turn! Hey! Over here at the door. Over here at the door.
Hold the box down. Help out. Hold the box.
Oh, help me. You're tall. Oh my gosh! I got a band that.
I only got one hand.
I have 2 hands.
Pull it. Grab her hand and pull it. Look, grab her hand and pull it.
Grab it, Pilar. Why is it doing that? We did it! So big.
Alright, so this is the base. You can fill it up with sand or with water or with rice.
Let's fill it up with sand.
I'm gonna put it here.
Oh, actually,
Now we're gonna take out the torso, right?
I'm gonna take out it. Whoa!
Alright, God, why are you messing that up? I just.
Fix it. Let's fix it. Oh.
Alright, this is heavier. This Bob's head. Hold the box. Oh, not like that, man. Oh, pull it.
Oh. I'm
Keep pulling.
it. I don't have a grip.
Keep pulling.
I got this. Help me. Pilar, help me. I helping. I did it. Oh.
Hold on, let me see if anything else is in there.
Oh my God, that's
Right.
what?
There goes Bob.
I want to feel him. Ah, what is it here? I slapped him. He's getting in trouble. Oh my God, don't kill me. Yeah, he looks creepy.
He looks creepy to you?
Yes.
Let's get some in here. Remember what I tell you guys, always read the instructions, right?
Uh-huh.
Let's see what the instructions
Yeah,
are.
but where's his legs?
He don't have legs. This is his legs.
Bro, his face is so creepy. Where's his arms? He doesn't need arms?
It's a punching bag, Phil.
But why does it have a face on it? This is Pilar's new boyfriend.
So this is probably just maintenance and how to mount it.
No!
That way when they punch it, it won't tilt over. So I got the bar. There's no weight to it. All right.
Bob, you big kid. Bob, no. Bob look like a tall man. Okay, Bob. You
So that's the shortest he goes. Let me see.
Whoa, he's tall.
All right, there he's locked in. He's shorter than me here. I'm 6 feet tall, 6.5. So let's make him taller. Make him a big man. Right there. So that's fighting a big guy right there. All right. So I'm gonna make him to your height. Then he could get even taller.
Ooh!
Let me see. see how to. Watch out, Lita, you're blocking the camera. Step
Oh.
aside.
Daddy, I didn't see his nipple.
I mean, he might be able to stay up higher than that because he could go up to 6'4".
What?
But right there, he's about my height. All right. I'm gonna lower it.
He should be my height.
Let me see how tall he gets. There he goes. Look, taller than me. See that? So right there, he's like 6'4" right here. All right. See, I gotta figure out which is the locking mechanism.
This is uncomfortable. Daddy, do I have to wear the workout gloves under the
Yes.
box? Ay.
Then it's locking me into place.
Daddy, I can see his nipple.
Just trying to figure out when he's locked into place.